Wheeler comes up with it. He'll find Ladd, who'll find Wheeler. Some room on X-ray, scores! Blake Wheeler, the wrist shot from the right side, beats Cam Ward, and the Winnipeg Jets score early again and lead 1-0.
That's what Blake Wheeler was looking for, and this is the strong play on the wall. He doesn't turn it over, keeps it in his feet, wins the battle, and then gets his leg moving, touches it in the middle, gets it back to the outside while he strings it out, and this is a shot that Cam Ward has to save, but Blake Wheeler will take it off the bar and in. Nice wrister, big smile as that one was due, but the play was made right there, winning the battle, moving the puck, and then moving his feet. Quick wrister from a distance. Cam Ward's reaction tells you everything.